My dear brothers and sisters, there are only two things that truly bring success to a person: the love of Allah and good character. We have reduced love in our homes, patience in our relationships, and softness in our hearts. Yet, my beloved ones, our religion teaches that even a smile is charity. Do not hurt anyone's heart, and do not look down upon anyone. I often say, the connection with Allah is a treasure that transforms hearts. When a person calls upon Allah with sincerity, tranquility begins to descend into their life. Whether it is sadness or happiness, hardship or ease, whoever carries Allah in their heart remains strong within. My brothers, try waking up in the quiet of the night and speaking to your Lord. He says, "When my servant remembers me, I am with him." Just think about how powerful this promise is. We chase after people who forget us in a moment, and the one who never forgets us, we forget him. My beloved ones, come, let us make a decision today. We will soften our hearts, mend our relationships, serve our parents, and above all, build a friendship with our Lord. Believe me, life will become easier on its own. May Allah fill our hearts with His love, the love of the Sunnah of His